Okay, this is round 2 of vacation, and last one you saw we were in the city and stuff. Now this is going to be our wilder hurricane edition. The storms are coming in. There's my babe right there, and yeah, it's getting pretty shady out here.
Oh, it's raining.
Yeah, look at the sky. It's all kinds. It's 50 shades of gray. So, but y'all stay with us. This is a great looking place, and we're going to explore. What is this place called, baby?
Sunshine.
No, the town. Yeah, it's Bayahibe or something. Yeah. So we're gonna explore Bayahibe. Okay, we're getting settled in this town, and the girls going to get food. The hurricane isn't letting up though, and it's not the winds, it's just the rain that's bringing in for us. But they found this little restaurant. It's not a great view, but it is a nice little Q establishment. Okay guys, y'all can go back and look at our last video, but here, no horns. The communication between the cars is down. And the stress level for driving, oh my gosh.
Night and day.
Night and day. If you go check out Dark Angel, well, maybe later on in their video, you're gonna see some crazy driving. Okay, yesterday, the restaurant we went to, no bueno, but this restaurant was not bad.
This is a
it's
a family-owned restaurant.
Yeah.
Really good.
And yeah, we slept, you know, recovering from that drive from the other city where it was a nightmare.
This is a very beachy town. This is a really cool town. We
Very.
haven't even shown you the beaches yet. We will.
Maybe we're in that right.
Yes, we are. I don't care if it's pouring rain. We're going to the
We're in the
beach.
midst of a hurricane. It's a named storm now. It's just a tropical storm, but yeah, it was raining all night.
That might not be a store. Is that a store?
It's right here, baby. But we're gonna go check out the store, see if we can get some breakfast supplies. But look at, there's the fire department. The trucks are outside, but man, they're maintained. This is the best maintained fire trucks I've seen here. This is a little, right next to a breakfast place.
We want to get.
Yeah, we'll get
Like lunches.
our breakfasts or something. Yeah, we can do that. This is actually not a little bad store right here. Pretty good selection. Far cry from Luperon.
Stormy muffins.
Wow.
Germany.
They've got some interesting things here. And Twinkies.
My favorite Otis Spunkmeyer was the blueberry.
Get you one, baby.
Remember the Otis Spunkmeyer?
No, I don't.
I used to buy them in Germany all the time.
Yeah.
It was my breakfast.
Okay, well get one. Flashbacks. Okay guys, we went off-road. This was completely down a muddy, dark road. And we were trying to find beach. We found beach, but I don't think we're allowed on the beach. That's a resort over there. And unlike in the US where all beaches are fair, not here. But we can get our massage right here in many different languages. Okay, we moved down a bit and we're at the beach. And
Okay, so there's ropes.
yeah, there's ropes out there.
What I'm discovering about
And
this trip,
yeah, he's recording when I'm recording. What a jerk.
Oh, you see how.
So right here we have the ocean.
Oh, yeah.
And out there, I think that way is the hurricane tropical storm. There's my sexy baby. You gonna go swimming, babe?
I don't know about that.
The only thing I'm hoping they don't do is take the car.
You locked it.
I did lock it, but we don't like, that way's not looking that good.
Which way?
The rocks, you go around, they said go that way, and there's beer. Okay guys, so we had our tour guide that we rejected, and
We've
there's
done
my,
that so many times at resorts. I ain't at a resort.
oh come on, we could buy the tour. We're gonna go see if we can go get our drunk on. There's a bar out here in the ocean. Look at that. We always find the alcohol. Look at this. This is where we are right now.
Big cloudy.
A little cloudy, still nice. Got a Black Russian on the way, and you got a rum punch. And we're good. Shut up, he's just a White Russian
Commentary of our friends.
But yeah.
So this is what it's
This is the resort we didn't pay for. Look at that.
No, we paid for a good place. It's an Airbnb.
It's a nice Airbnb.
But we will show you what our room looks like, and it is nice. So I'll probably drop a link down below. So if you want to check out this Airbnb we're staying at. Okay, we got Black Russian and rum punch, and we are in heaven. And it's like the vacation we never had for a while.
Sometimes you gotta get off the boat, treat yourselves to a vacation, land lover life.
Definitely. Guys, this place is the bomb. Check it out.
Oh wow, yeah.
Okay, guys.
Oh, sand and I didn't even swim.
She's got
That was sandy.
But we're gonna head back to the casa. Get yeah, the car's still there, and we're going to go check out the pool. I think they said it felt like 78, so a little cold for me, but we're gonna do it.
You're okay to drive, buddy?
I think I'm okay to drive. Okay, guys, we're going out to eat again. Here's the marina, or a lot of boats out here, and look at the movement there. They do have mini fenders on there so they can protect their boat. I gotta lock the car here, and my wife said this is the area she was dreaming about. So we're gonna go check out this restaurant and see if it's good food. This is what the this side of the restaurant looks like, and this is what this side of the parking lot looks like. Okay, I think the girls are totally looking at this restaurant right here. Beachside. Oh, look at that view. Who likes to look at boats as they eat?
I don't think you made it to the cheap place.
I think this is a bit ritzy. We have been ritzy since we've been out here. Okay, guys, this is the place the women have been looking for. This is it. Oh my gosh.
Ginger beer, sake, vodka. Oh yeah, you saw that too?
So guys, you come here and you check out this place.
We're here.
This is awesome. Sorry, it gets me to get his head so much.
Sorry. You want me to duck?
Okay guys, food is coming out. Look at them tacos. Oh yeah. She's getting it right there. Oh my gosh, I missed her happy girl dance, but look at that. Yeah, that's me right there. Look at that. Oh yeah.
Yeah, you got nachos.
Oh, I got nachos for sure.
You said, would that be enough for dinner? I was like, no.
Look at the size of them nachos. She's a happy girl.
I know they're little, but my God, I have been waiting for nachos. I mean,
Tacos.
Tacos. Well, that's what they give you for.
Okay guys, now this food, I tried it, good.
That does not come from a frozen bag.
That's not a frozen bag.
No, this is freshly made right here.
Yeah.
That's really cool. There's sailboats out there. So I'm like, can we like sail down here and put our sailboat right there and live here?
Yeah, this is awesome, guys.
Catch them on the way back.
Okay, I think the Mongolian beef comes out a little steamy.
With me?
Okay, my baby's got wontons.
Get back here. You're not getting away. You want to try this?
Yeah.
She's speechless.
Stop it.
Okay guys, we're leaving Beachside. This place was awesome.
Very yummy.
Very yummy. And you can find the Beachside from the road.
That's so cool.
It is cool. Look at that. Okay guys, we're on the outside of our apartment, me and the dog, doing our business out here. But there's our Airbnb, but it's a stark contrast once you go in versus out here. So let's take you inside and show you what you can expect over here. Nice community, some great food. So if you get the chance, check it out. Link down below. So there's a car and there's the front door. Now our dog last time, she did do a header into this thing, so it may not look that clean, but I guess it's clean enough for her. Now the lobby of this Airbnb is pretty empty, so it's got a desk there, but there's nobody over there. And cool thing about our room is you're not going up there, is it's right off the front door. So, and then you come down here, and this is what the establishment looks like. So, look at that pool. It was a balmy 78 degrees. And then we have my babe over there, the girls on the back porch. But you can get your workout on right up there. I'm not doing that stuff, you know. That would probably make me in shape. I don't want that anymore. And then there's a parking lot back here that you can only use at night. Now I'm guessing everybody's welcome in here. This door does not stay closed unless you lock it. Come on, Bella. But let's lock you in here with us. But this is a room. I mean, the living room and the kitchen. I did like they had a drip coffee maker. It just needed more furniture, really. Now up here you have full-size bed. This is the central bathroom. And then in this one, you have an ensuite. The bathroom looks the same in the ensuite as it does in the middle, so. Okay guys, so.
Back in the kitchen.
Yeah, we came back from our trip. We're gonna do some slow cooking. Halloween is happening. And
We're not really doing anything for Halloween. I'm just because it's a holiday, I'm like, I'm gonna do, I got a little tired of eating out.
oh, definitely. Way too much of that.
It's just, I don't know, my stomach can't handle all that anymore. I'm a home cook. I love home cooking.
Oh,
So
I love her home cooking. And she's gonna
slow cooker pork roast.
Yeah. So that'll be in the next video. It'll just be highlights of it. She is also going to she wants to pick back up on her recipes, so a little behind on that.
Yeah, it got behind because of
Lights.
well, a lot of it, to be honest, is it's really hard to find ingredients in the DR.
Mm-hmm.
We had to go into the major cities to go to the big grocery stores, and sometimes that's hard to do because you gotta rent a car and all that. But I am pretty well stocked up right now, so let's get on that next.
Let's get on it. So we're gonna start doing that. Also, we're gonna start wanting to do a few more lives and things like that. So if you have questions, things like that, leave that down below. We're gonna start answering things or just dropping.
You guys have a lot of questions.
Yeah, or just dropping a general, here we are and what's going on and shit like that. But yeah, leave anything you want down below, and we're gonna get. So y'all enjoy y'all's holiday weekends, and there's a lot of holidays coming up. And please take care.
There is.
Bye, guys. Oh, she's in her underwear.
Can't see